Okay, we're installing a side vent frame. So in the side vent hanger package, you'll have some plates and some screws. Just make note of them and just put them off to the side. You'll need those for later. But you're gonna have a vent bottom like this. Also, you'll have sliders in the sides of your sidebars. And then just take note on where it's supposed to be placed in your drawing. Then what we do is we lift up the slider. Get our vent bottom in. Now, as far as this bottom's in, I just wait. Don't quite tighten those up yet. Get a nut in there, nut and bolt there. Now this goes in with the fuzz track going down. So that's gonna face down towards the base. And I just sort of slide my notch in, slide my notch in. There we go. Now before I tighten those up, I'll take a level, or you can take your tape measure. And I just set my vent to where it needs to go. And if you want to be real fussy, you can measure it as well. Let's tighten up that bottom. Then we go with our top hinge hanger. And sometimes this top hinge gets caught on this slider. So just make sure it passes, and it is. And we're all tight on the bottom. And now we have a side vent frame.